Most Defensive Finals Award. Ang tatanggap po nito ay walang iba kundi si ano po, ang Dilasal po ay tatanggap ng 50,000 as AIA Defensive Player, Most Defensive Player of the Finals. So napakaganda po ng kanyang nilaro. Salamat dahil she stand tall against the mighty National University champion. Kahit po natalo, hindi siya pumayag na matalo ng walang laban. Congratulations po sa ating most defensive player of the game.
The most defensive player of the finals. Brought to you by AIA, former Philam Life, empowering Filipinos to live healthier, longer, and better lives.
Salamat po sa 87th season ng UAAP Women's Volleyball. Mapapanood po natin ang pangdanggap ng iba't ibang individual awarding o awards. Siyempre po, kailangan po nating mapakinggan ang iba't ibang at makunan at makita ang tumatanggap pa ng iba't ibang individual awards. Siyempre po, congratulations para po sa Finals MVP ng UAAP. Walang iba kundi si eto na po. Yan. Ito po ang matindi. Siya po ang Finals MVP. Maski siya, hindi siya po makapaniwala na siya ang Finals MVP. Grabe po ang pinakita niyang performance. Player of the Finals.
21 points in game 1, 10 points in game 2.
Yes, 10 points lang pong ginawa niya sa team.
28 receptions in game 1.
Pero ang tindi po ng ginawa niya ng game 1.
Game number 2. They are our Spotify players.
Thank you! Salamat sa patuloy po na pagbibigay ng mga special awards sa ating mga volleyball players. Narito na po ang 50,000 Spotify Player of the Finals. Ay na po, si Shara. Po ang tatanggap ng 50,000. Congratulations, Shara, for winning this special award, Player of the Finals. Congratulations. Dalawa po silang players of the finals. Thank you so much, Spotify, for giving our players Player of the Finals special award. Yan po si Shaira Jordan, Finals MVP, at si Banji Alonso, Finals MVP. Salamat po sa dalawang players na ito na nagpakita ng kakaibang galing. Grabe mga Finals MVP na ito. Congratulations para sa dalawang Finals MVP. 3 championship in a row at 4 times na pumasok po ng finals ang National University Lady Bulldogs. At ngayon po, nakuha nila ang 3rd championship para sa 87th UAAP Volleyball Women's Division. Thank you.